Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. One to step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to download your Canva design on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app, sign in, and at the bottom of your screen, you can see projects option right beside home. Tap on it, then your designs are gonna load on your screen. Select the design you want to download. You can see there's download design right beside the three dot menu. You can directly download it from there or select the three dot menu and tap on download. Then you can also select the type you want to download it in. If you want it to be in PNG, you can download in that way. That's how you download a Canva design on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.